Asif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am going to review of Honor 9N. Hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, please subscribe our channel because it is our first priority to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon, it will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So hope you enjoy our video, and if you enjoy our video, please give a big thumb up to motivate us, and let's the video begin.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
So first of all, I would like to explain its main highlight. It has a 3 variant. One is 3GB plus 32GB.
Created with free version for non-commercial use.
Plus 64GB, and the last one is 4G plus 128GB. So you can enjoy on your own specification which you want to buy. So now come to its main highlight, which is It is Honor Notch full viewing display with 12-layer premier glass design with 16mm front camera, and the other is 13 plus 2 megapixel. So now come to its display. As you can see on your mobile screen, it has notch display with 19:9 full viewing display, and the resolution is just amazing. As you can see on your screen, it has 2280 multiplied by 1080 FHD plus display. So hope you enjoyed the notch display and full viewing 19:9 display. So now come to its adapting display. You can use it on your own choice. One is 18:9 accept ratio,
created with free version for non-commercial use.
So you can enjoy by your own choice. And now come to its glass design. Its glass design is just making this mobile outstanding by its look. It has mirror effect 2.0, nanoscale optical coating is also available in this mobile. So now come to its all over mirror like effect and colors, which is 14.84 centimeter Honor notch display. So hope you enjoy it. So now come to the camera. It has a dual camera. One is 19 megapixel and the other is 2 megapixel, and the quality of its camera is just outstanding. As you can see on your screen, the brightness section is also amazing. So now come to its front camera. It has 16 megapixel with 3D beauty effect. So you can enjoy your selfie much better. Much future is also available in this mobile. So now come to its low lighting photography. As you can see on your screen, this camera is also
created with free version for non-commercial use
and make your picture just outstanding. So now come to its AR lens fun. It has AR lens fun. As you can see on your screen, you can use different lens to make your picture much better than simple picture, and you is not ready to edit, or you can use without editing your picture. Now come to its ROM. It has 4 plus 64GB ROM, Octa Core processor, fingerprint unlock, EMUI with 8.0. So hope you can enjoy fasting as you can see on your mobile screen. Come to the gaming mode. It has gaming suit is also available in this mobile. It has smart mode, gaming mode, power saving mode is also available. You can use heavy game. It will be not interrupted you to use any heavy game. So now come to its infinity and lag free experience is also available in this mobile. So now come to the privacy. It has smart face unlock with different unlock, side to unlock, notification privacy, closed eye face unlock prevention is also available. So you can set a face lock and just enjoy it. So now come to the fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is available in back of this mobile, as you can see on your mobile screen. So, and I again requested you and say you to please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So now come to the ride mode. It is also ride mode is also available in this mobile.
Created with free version for non-commercial use
and manage your calls and messages to make your journey safer. So hope you enjoy this feature in your mobile if you are bike rider or car rider. So hope you enjoy it. So now come to the party mode. Play a song in one phone and connect it to maximum 6 devices to play in sensing music. So hope you enjoy this feature in this mobile. So now I will show you the Huawei mobile stress that it's all feature and it's all function, so you can see on your mobile screen and have a fun, and it is not a limit of that function or that feature. It is only tested by Honor company to make a good experience for you. So hope you enjoy, and I again say please subscribe our channel and and we are uploading a video in day or one day, so please subscribe our channel. And you can see the fingerprint click is also checked to lag time, which is great, and touch screen is also checked with a 8 lag time, so just awesome. And I will show its temperature. Minus 20 degree to 55 degrees also its temperature is also tested. So it's overall review of your mobile. So please subscribe our channel, click on bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. I again and again say please subscribe our channel, because when you are not responding good, so I am irritating. So please motivate me with give me a subscribe, like, share. So for now it's ended, so we will back in next video. Allah Hafiz.